Before buying a cordless vacuum for your hardwood floors, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of these vacuums look the same and make the same promises, but the real differences are hidden when it comes to performance and features. Product number 1, LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum. The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner caught my eye right away with its sleek Arctic white design and promise of powerful suction. Priced at $139.99, it's a bit of a splurge but definitely a contender. If you want a vacuum that tackles pet hair and dirt on hardwood floors with ease, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts a tangle-resistant design that really helps when you're cleaning up pet hair, no more annoying clogs. Plus, it runs for up to 50 minutes, which is plenty of time to clean your entire space without worrying about battery life. The easy empty dust bin means you can dump out dirt with just one click, and the washable filters can save you money in the long run. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 13,000 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its effectiveness. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it's not the lightest option. Here's the thing though, while it isn't super featherlight, it's still manageable for quick cleanups around the house. If you need something that's ultralight, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a reliable vacuum that can handle hair and dander. Skip this one if you prefer a very lightweight option or maneuverability is your highest priority. For what it offers, the price is reasonable considering its features. Now, if the weight of the LEVOIT bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its ultralight design. Product number 2, Mohomo Cordless Vacuum. Next up is the Mohomo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, priced at $129.99. What stood out for me was its impressive 70-minute battery life, which means you can really get a lot done before needing to recharge. If you're looking for a vacuum that can go the distance, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a powerful 650W brushless motor delivering 55 kPa of suction, it can easily tackle crumbs and pet hair from both hardwood floors and carpets. The self-standing design is a neat bonus, allowing you to easily store it without needing to lean it against a wall. Plus, the LED Smart touchscreen makes it super easy to switch between suction modes and monitor battery life. With a 4.5-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its power and convenience. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy at high suction settings. Here's the thing though, most vacuums tend to be a bit loud, especially the powerful ones. If noise is a major concern for you, this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you have a larger area to clean and want a vacuum that lasts a long time. Skip this one if noise sensitivity is a big deal for you or you're looking for something quieter. Given its features, it's a solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. Product number 3, Bissell Featherweight Stick Vacuum. The Bissell 2033 Featherweight Stick Vacuum is an absolute steal at just $34.99. What immediately grabbed my attention was its lightweight design, less than 4 pounds, which makes it super easy to maneuver around your home. If you want an affordable vacuum that's easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum's versatility is a game changer. It converts from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum in seconds, allowing you to clean everything from your floors to your furniture. It has a powerful suction that effectively cleans both hardwood and low-pile carpets, making it a great all-around option. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 111,000 reviews, it's clear that this vacuum has made a lot of users happy. However, some users noted that it lacks a powered brush attachment, making it less effective on thick carpets. Here's the thing, it's designed primarily for lightweight cleaning, so if you have thick carpets, this might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space or need something to do quick cleanups. Skip this one if you have heavy carpeting or need a vacuum with more power. At this price, it's hard to argue against its value. Now, if you're looking for something more powerful but still affordable, let's move on to the next product. Product number 4, JELLYPIG Cordless Vacuum. Next, we have the JELLYPIG Cordless Vacuum Cleaner priced at $132.99. Right off the bat, the powerful 55K paw suction caught my attention, which is fantastic for picking up everything from small debris to stubborn pet hair. If you want something that can handle a bit of everything, this is worth a serious look. Its V-shaped anti-winding brush design prevents hair from getting tangled, which is a common issue with many other vacuums. This feature is especially useful for pet owners. With a 4.6-star rating from 5,200 reviews, you can tell it's a winner among users. However, some people found the dustbin to be a bit small, requiring more frequent emptying than they'd like. Here's the thing though, the compact size makes it easier to handle while cleaning. If you don't mind emptying it a bit more, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you have pets and want a vacuum that tackles hair without tangling. Skip this one if you'd rather have a larger dust bin for less frequent emptying. For its features, it's priced quite competitively. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the last one on my list might just surprise you with its unique features. Product number 5, TechRise Cordless Vacuum. Finally, we have the TechRise Cordless Vacuum Cleaner coming in at $119.99. What really stands out is its powerful suction and advanced filtration system, which captures 99.99% of allergens. If you're concerned about allergies or air quality, this is worth a serious look. Its self-standing design is also super convenient, allowing you to pause and resume your cleaning whenever you need. The V-shaped brush is specifically designed to prevent tangles, and the green LED light helps you see dust in darker areas. With a 4.4-star rating from 3,500 reviews, users appreciate its efficiency and innovative design. Some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky compared to other lightweight models. Here's the thing, the extra features and power do add some weight, but if you're looking for strong performance, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you have allergy sensitivities and need a vacuum that can capture dust and allergens effectively. Skip this one if you prioritize a super lightweight model. Considering the advanced features, the price point is justified. So to sum it up, the LEVOIT is great for pet hair, the Mohomo offers superior battery life, the Bissell is a budget-friendly lightweight option, the JELLYPIG tackles tangles efficiently, and the TechRise excels in filtration. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your cleaning needs.